Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to reset your Netgear Nighthawk EAX80 Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender to its factory default settings. Whether you're troubleshooting connection issues or need a fresh start, resetting the EAX80 can help restore its performance. We'll show you how to locate the reset button, perform the reset, and what to expect during the process. Keep in mind that resetting will erase all custom configurations, so you may need to reconfigure the extender afterward using the Nighthawk app or web interface. Watch the full video to learn more. First of all, we will discuss why it is necessary to reset Netgear Nighthawk EAX80. Resetting the Netgear Nighthawk EAX80 may become necessary when you're facing persistent connectivity issues, such as slow speeds, unstable connections, or difficulty pairing it with your router. A reset can also be useful if you've forgotten your admin password or need to clear custom settings that are causing problems. By restoring the extender to its factory defaults, you eliminate any misconfigurations or software glitches, providing a clean slate for optimal performance. However, keep in mind that all personalized settings will be erased, requiring a fresh setup after the reset. So let's start the process. The reset button on the Nighthawk EAX80 is a small, recessed button, typically located on the back or bottom of the extender. How to identify: look for a small pinhole labeled reset near the power connector or ports. Tools needed: since the button is recessed, you will need a thin object such as a paperclip, pin, or a small tool to reach and press the button. With the paperclip or pin, press and hold the reset button for about 7 to 10 seconds. Hold it until you see the power LED light start blinking. What's happening? When you hold the button, the extender starts the reset process, erasing any stored custom configurations, such as network settings, passwords, and pairing information with the router. Warning: ensure that the extender is powered on before pressing the reset button. If it's off or unplugged, this step won't work. After releasing the reset button, the Nighthawk EAX80 will reboot automatically. During this time, the LED indicators will blink as the extender resets to its factory default state. The reboot can take a couple of minutes to complete. The LED lights should stabilize, typically showing a steady power light when ready. Note: once the Netgear Nighthawk EAX80 device has finished rebooting, it will be restored to its factory default settings. You will need to reconfigure it by following the initial setup process, either through the web interface or the setup provided by Netgear. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.